What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video of the 7.3 Powerstroke restoration. I actually just finished getting this frame painted up, as you guys would see if you watched the last video. And today I want to start on the bodywork. So basically what we're working with here, we got to sand. I put the Duraglass on where I did these rockers. I'll have to sand that and then probably add a little normal filler over it to get that transition smooth from the new cab corner to the rest of the pillar of the cab. And then I want to go ahead and get all this glue taken off, fix all these dents. I've actually only got a couple. I got that dent, a chip there, that area there is a little dented, a small chip right here, and then the hood's got little chips, a spot of clear coat peel, small dents there, couple more little chips, small ding, and then another dent in the same spot under that door handle. So this is very minimal for being a 24-year-old work truck. So the bed actually has a couple dents too. Whenever I get the cab done, I'll throw the bed on it and fix those dents. All right, so here you guys have it. It's been a minute since I talked. I've been just trying to rock this thing out on the time lapse. As you can see, I went ahead and pulled out those mud flaps. I didn't like them. Where he put this Sherwin-Williams paint, like rack guard stuff, he said is what it was. I grinded all that off, so now I have to prime right there. And then there was a couple small dings up in here that we went ahead and fixed. A few small ones along the fender. One more here, little one here. Feathered some rock chips back up here. And then obviously we have our cab corners mudded in. Went ahead and pulled that adhesive off where the smoldering was, and a whole bunch of paint came with it, so I had to grind that whole area down. Couple small dents here and there, more dents. Chips in the hood, peeling spot in the hood. This dent up here is fixed. Same thing on the other side. I actually, if you've seen, I spread this, and then it wasn't quite how I wanted, so I did a respread on it, and I completely forgot about this down up here. And then this right here, spread it wide. There was a couple small dents in there, a couple high spots, a couple rack chips, the Sherwin-Williams on this side. And then, yeah, that pretty much sums this up. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing primed probably tomorrow because it's getting late and I've been sanding all this filler all day, as well as I had to do it all morning at work too for my job. So I'm pretty body worked out for the day. So I guess I'll pick back up with you guys tomorrow and shoot the primer on this thing. And there you guys have it. This thing is looking really good. When that primer was wet, I was looking at it, and even after the second coat, all the bodywork looked really smooth. We're gonna have some runs in the primer to black out because it's only 50 degrees, and I loaded this thing up with a solid 5 coats. I'll have to reprime when I do the door jamb from where the cab corner is and that front pillar. I tried taping it up so that way it was all at once, and after trying that, it really wasn't working out, so I'll just do a separate time, tape it up with the doors open. I mean, this looks incredible. I threw a little bit of that guide coat on here so I can black sand it in a couple days. I'm gonna let this dry. And that's why I did that little cinematic so you guys can see the wet primer to check out how straight the bodywork is before that guide coat kind of covers it up. That'll be all for this video though. So if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.